blizzard, please? Little dude's getting excited. Getting close. Hey Denise, how are you?
The lumber should dry out, and then I'll come around for a landing. Let's see how everyone else is landing. Never be the first one to take off, and never be the first one to land.
Got here a homemade chase cam done right.
Only supposed to be doing 5 miles per hour.
I clocked you in at doing 20.
You in the south, boy.
Special passenger.
Kayak here.
Tree! Got him a biggin. Oh, my fave.
Try to foot drag this creek again tonight. Just a straight shot. You can see behind me there. Straight shot pretty much. Easy to foot drag. And the nice thing is, if you eat it, probably ain't gonna drown because it's pretty shallow. Whoa, what the hell?
Guess again.
Whoa, who that?
It is me, God.
Who's God?
Oh, for heaven's sake, God. Like you know, creator of the multiverse.
Oh, so am I... Wait, are you Australian?
Yes, whatever.
Does that mean I'm a goner?
Maybe, maybe not.
What does that even mean?
I mean, I did give you all the information you needed to stay safe, and you ignored it. Sorry, I was vaping.
You mean stuff like being aware of the possibility of hitting the guy's wake that was flying in front of me? Or, you know, the decreased engine and wing performance due to the, you know, atmospheric conditions? That kind of stuff?
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, dang, G, I'm not ready. I want to go back.
Well, if I let you go back, what would you do differently?
Oh, that's easy. I'd take the information you gave me and I'd adopt a flying style that was safer and, you know, more appropriate for the current conditions. Would that work?
Okay, I'll give you one more chance.
Oh, thank you.
Do you have any questions?
No, I think I'm good. Oh, yeah, God, just one question. Which state was first in flight?
North Carolina, of course.
Ah, right on. Thanks, G.
Get the heck out of here.
Whoa.
That way is hell.
Gotcha.
Study up on a creation of mine called density altitude.
Roger that.
Good day. Me damn it.
Sounds like WillFly went down in the creek, but he's okay, thank goodness. All these people are just standing by in case they can help. Probably got a wet wing. All right, Will, trying to climb out the creek. Rock's not broke.
No, everybody's gonna make passes.
That's one hell of a save. Didn't hurt nothing, but
Ooh. Easy, brother.
do it again.
All right, let's give him a round. He gets back. Yeah! All right! Woo! Is the water cold? No. Okay, man. I know you are.
An easy way to think about density altitude is the higher the temperature, the higher the humidity, the lower the performance is going to be on your wing and your motor. I'm used to flying at 350 feet. Mountain City was at 2,000 foot elevation. It was a hot day and the density altitude was probably closer to 3,000 feet. So my motor and wing were performing just as if they were at 3,000 feet. The other thing was, I know I hit the guy's wake that I was following, and I didn't give myself enough time to allow his wake to dissipate before pulling in behind him. Shorts and Nikes got wet, motor and wing stayed dry, and thanks to the quick response of my Paramotor buddies, I was able to set right back up and hit the skies. For what it's worth, I didn't do another water foot drag there. Well, that's it, guys. 6 days of fun at the 5th annual Moonshiners fly-in. Had a real good time, as I always do at fly-ins. Wind was real switchy, so yeah, just great as usual, hanging out with my friends. Next up is Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Gonna spend a couple days there and try to fly out a first flight, visit the monument. Then after that, Dave Purden's coming up in September. So always something to look forward to. And hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, ciao.
Don't jump in your seat.